How to improve in bed, overcome erectile problems. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel, where today we're delving into a critical topic that can impact the intimate lives of many men: how to improve in bed and overcome erectile problems. If you're looking to enhance your sexual life and tackle erectile dysfunction issues, then this video is for you. Stay tuned until the end because, in a moment, we'll unveil the best sexual positions to combat erectile dysfunction. These positions have been carefully selected and tested by experts in the field, and we're confident they'll be of great help. The man in erectile dysfunction, we know it can be a source of concern and frustration. But don't worry, in this video, we'll provide you with information, treatments, and advice so you can enjoy a fulfilling and satisfying sex life. Discover positions that can make a difference in your sex life and regain confidence in yourselves. You won't regret it. Without further ado, let's dive into this video and explore the best positions to improve erectile dysfunction. Let's get started. Causes of erectile problems. Before discussing how to improve in bed, it's essential to understand the causes of erectile problems. These can be physical, psychological, or a combination of both origins. Some physical causes may include diseases like diabetes, cardiovascular issues, or the use of certain medications. Regarding psychological causes, stress, anxiety, and depression can affect the ability to maintain a firm erection. It's crucial to consult a specialist in sexual health for an accurate diagnosis and to determine the specific cause of erectile problems. Remember that each case is unique, and what works for one person may not work for another. Treatment for erectile dysfunction. Once you've consulted with a specialist, they'll recommend the most suitable treatment. Some options may include lifestyle changes, such as maintaining a healthy diet, regular exercise, and reducing alcohol and tobacco consumption. These changes can help improve blood circulation and promote a better erectile response. In more specific cases, medications like phosphodiesterase type 5, PDE5 inhibitors, commonly known as Viagra, may be prescribed. These medications help increase blood flow to the penis, facilitating a firm erection. It's important to follow medical instructions and not self-medicate. How to improve in bed. Host, in addition to medical treatments, there are some positions and techniques that can help you improve in bed, especially if you suffer from erectile problems. Here are a few. 1. Modified missionary position. Instead of being on top, place a pillow under your hips to elevate your pelvis. This can help increase blood flow to the genital area. 2. Spooning position. Lie on your side, in the fetal position, while your partner positions themselves behind you. This position allows for greater intimacy and emotional connection, which can help reduce pressure and increase relaxation. 3. Foreplay. Don't focus solely on the sexual act itself. Dedicate time to foreplay and stimulation of other erogenous zones. This can help create a relaxed atmosphere and increase arousal. Additional tips. In addition to the mentioned positions and techniques, here are some additional tips that can contribute to improvement in bed. 1. Communication. Discuss your concerns and difficulties with your partner. Communication is crucial for maintaining a healthy and satisfying sexual relationship. 2. Stress reduction. Stress can be a major trigger for erectile problems. Find ways to reduce stress, whether through relaxation techniques, physical exercise, or engaging in hobbies you're passionate about. 3. Maintain a positive attitude. Don't be discouraged if the results aren't immediate. Sometimes, bed improvement may take time and patience. Maintain a positive attitude and seek support from your partner and healthcare professionals. Improving in bed and overcoming erectile problems is possible with the right combination of information, treatment, and advice. Don't be ashamed to seek help, and remember that erectile problems are common and treatable. We hope this video has been useful, and we invite you to leave your comments and suggestions. Don't miss a single tip to improve your male health. Subscribe now and join our wellness community. Click subscribe and start your journey to a healthier, fuller life. Until next time.